Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Data Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. This video is in continuation of the series where we're trying to learn Python while solving interview questions from top tech companies like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. If you're preparing for any of these roles, this is a great series to follow and build your concepts. So yeah, let's jump right in. In this video, we are going to solve this question on Stata Scratch regarding admin department workers. This question has been asked in Amazon interviews and it's a great question if you're preparing for data engineer, data scientist, BI analyst, data analyst, ML engineer or software engineer roles. Okay, the question reads, find all the workers and the details that work in the admin department. So we are given a data frame called worker underscore WS and expected output is a pandas data frame with all the information. However, the only catch is department should be admin. Okay, now let's inquire about this data frame called worker WS, which has 6 different columns: worker ID, first name, last name, salary, joining date, and department. Now, if we look at the admin part, it is possible it can be like all caps or everything is in lowercase, or it can be sentence case, etc. There could be possible spaces before and after. So what we need to do is, how can we use the dot query method to perform a filter? Because anyway we need to perform a filter and make sure we only keep those rows where department is equal to admin. So but it is not as straightforward as it looks. So let's look at dot query. And then what we need is in the department column. So department column, you might be thinking that, hey, okay, department is equal to admin. If I do this, at least I would be able to get all such kind of rows where I can see that it looks like admin. So if I go ahead and run this, actually you do not have any row as an output. What's wrong here? Actually, if you think about it here, what you're trying to do is you are trying to check for a hard coded admin that it should be exactly like this. So here, if there was a space like before this A or after this or anything else, it won't return these kind of rows. So that is a problem that is happening. So here it is possible that there is a space here in front or at the end. That is why we are not able to return this. So to make sure that such kind of problem does not occur, we need to use the dot contain. So it's okay that you have spaces before or after, but just see whether admin is contained in the department column. So what you can do is you can use dot string objects contains method, where you can say that, okay, it should contain admin. If I go ahead and run this now you have certain columns where you have the admin part. So it is possible to have a space before this or after this, which we are not able to see, but it does not matter. It returns the admin departments. However, there is still a problem. The problem is, what about such kind of rows? Because you need that also in the output. So it should be case insensitive. So what you can do is make sure that you look for the admin, but do not worry about the cases of any of the letters. It could be any combination of these 5 letters. So what you can do is you can simply write case is equal to false. So look for the admin word and make sure it is case insensitive. Now if I go ahead and run this, so it also has the final row that we want. So it has the admin part. So yeah, let me go ahead and submit it. Let's see what happens. Okay, so everything is green and this is how it do it. So even though this question looks easy, actually it is quite tricky, because you might be wondering why we cannot hard code the admin part, because we saw that there might be problems. Then we used the contains method of the string object, but we also had to make sure that case is equal to false is applied, because it is possible to have various cases in which admin word is typed in the department column. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there's a better way or more efficient way to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.